I went off and got a real job with structure and insurance and nice clothes, and man, I did not jive with that culture at all. I could do the work fine, but not the culture of it. So on a fluke, I got an offer to write songs on Music Row in Nashville, and I snatched it. So I've had such a rich life experience because of music, and I'm grateful for that.
I'm pork chop, fried egg, and a piece of cheese.
That's perfect.
You're gonna give me ugly eating. I love fried chicken too. I like fried anything. Good fried pork chops are just a little harder to come by, so I can get fried chicken up and down the road a little further, and I can get a good fried pork chop. Cheers. Looking at those Almond Boys, and the music was the soundtrack. I see my family and my culture and the beautiful thing that happened between black and white culture in Macon, bridged by music. It's special that in that time, people like Otis Redding and Little Richard could flourish. It was just another piece of the puzzle that makes sort of the wheel that is the vibe around here.
When you hear Macon, to me, you know you're in the South. The beat's just a little bit slower. The tones are just a little more laid back, and the intensity is in like the emotion. So I don't know if it's laid back because it's just too hot to play fast or what, but it's a vibe. It's a specific vibe, and I think when you hear music from Macon, it sounds like brotherly love and unity and just a good time. What you hear is heavily influenced by the people that were around and comes out of the river or something, I don't know. Southern rock helped break down social barriers, racial barriers, cultural barriers, and just married everybody in music. I mean, it's heavy to walk around a place like Capricorn Studios and realize the music that's been made here. Honestly, what I feel is like a pool of inspiration to fall into, to get to just take that little time trip in my own head is a special thing. Macon is a great place for somebody to visit who loves music because it reminds me of going to Memphis and even Tulsa, just letting people know about their legacy. So coming here and seeing what has evolved on the legacy and things that are still intact that just always were, but then the new shiny things around it too. I think anybody could have a great time in Macon, Georgia if you're a music fan. If you can't, you just can't have a good time. I don't know.